Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create Facebook account in mobile. If you want to know how it's done, this video is for you. In order to successfully do this, we need to head over right here to our Facebook. Once we head over to our Facebook, you can see in here that I have in here my accounts. So if you want to create a new account, click on this create new account right here. And then it will show you this join Facebook. Click on this get started. And in here you will be prompted to put in here your first name. So for example, for this one, let's put in here Tiara and let's put in here Lee. Click on next and you will be asked for your birthday. So I'll just set in here a random number and then click on this set and then click on this next. Once you're done with that, just select your gender. Female, choose female and click on next. After that, it will actually allow you to sign up through your mobile number or also with your email, so you can just choose which one actually resonates with you. So for example, for this, let's sign up with email and you can put in here your email, and after that you can click on this next right here wherein you can actually put there your actual password, and after you're done that, you'll be basically good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.